Yeah, I want to send this out to the love of my life, my cat. I'm saying my little cat. I love you, cat. This for you, baby. Me and you all alone, chilling at home. We about to do our thing, you know. The TV coming on and you walking around going meow, meow. Now, I love you like you was my own. You was my kid and you was my child, but it's deeper than that. I come out the shower, you laying on my bed, oh man, oh man. I bust the cork on the Hennessy. I start sipping on that with me and Kitty. And next thing you know, my hand done slipped down on that cat ass. Now I'm rubbing on the kitty ass. The thing's about to get real fast. I turn down the light real low. Put on some R. Kelly. It's about to get ignorant. This is for my kitty cat. Oh, this is for my kitty cat. And don't nobody care how you do your duty, cause I was always told that pussy is pussy. This is for my kitty cat. Oh, this is for my kitty cat. Oh, and I was always told do your duty, cause I was always told that pussy is pussy. Meow! That's what you say when I came through the door. You was on the floor. I fed you some kitten caboodles and some 9 lives. Now that's right. I got you some fresh water and cleaned your kitty litter. Cause you is my kitty, and you mean more to me than the queen and the king of the British seas. Oh shit. You got me hype, girl, or boy, or whatever kind of cat you is. Just lay in my bed and open your legs, cause I'm gonna do this thing real right now. I'm feeling on your booty, the booty. Be funny feeling on the cat booty. They don't understand it. I love you.